Okay, we got nachos right here, the jalapenos. At the carnival store, it's pumpkin patch food. And let's try it. No, I'll give that 7.3.
7.3? Carnival nachos. What are you gonna do? 7.3? I think that's a little high. They look like some regular chips, some regular jalapenos out of a can. Maybe the cheese is out of a can too. So if I'm gonna rate this, maybe like a 2.4. But still, we're munching. All right, boy, what do you rate the funnel cake? 4.2 for the funnel cake. Funnel cakes. 4.2.